Good evening, everyone. Today, in the marketing analytics tool facilitation video, we are going to look at Inflact. And what is Inflact? Inflact is a marketing toolkit for Instagram, and it adapts Instagram account for business with smart tools, which can be helpful for building target audience, engaging with clients, and plan your content. And also, you can get precise info about your competitors and influencers, and also the target clientele. Now, Inflect is an open source software, but you can also pay to get more tools. So, like the service says, you can see they have a subscription model, and you can pay according to your need. Now, we will be going with the free what we can get without logging and paying for it. So we are going to look at the tools, the open source tools that are available for free. For example, the profile analyzer, which we'll be mainly looking at today. So what we're going to looking at is the engagement. We are going to do a competitor analysis of a public account. So, and we are going to derive the following insights like engagement, average user activity, posts per day, posts per week, posts per month, and also the most popular time that the page posts, and the top hashtags, the top caption words, and the user interest. And at the end, we are also going to look at the most top commented posts from the last 100 posts, and also the top like posts from the last 100 posts. Now, keep in mind that it is because it is saying that it is from the last 100 posts because we are getting it for free without paying for it. If you pay for a subscription, then you can get a more detailed insights uh, from the start of the account page. But we are going for it free, so we will get only from the last 100 posts, but that will be sufficient to analyze profile will be very good, beneficial. So let's start. So for the engagement, first for example, let's take Netflix. So first we have to take the ID, profile ID of the page that we want to analyze, and we go to tools and then analyzer. In analyzer, we then paste the user ID and click on analyze. Now here we get the insights. So as we can see, Instagram has 5.1 million followers and the engagement rate is 0.03%. So the first insight that we get is the engagement. Next, we look at the average user activity, which is just the ratio of likes and comments to the number of posts and followers, which is 2.22%. It is the average user activity. So the next one we get 2.22. Now, next one we'll look at the posts per day for the month of August from 9th, from 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th. And the average is 8. So Instagrams posts an average of 8 posts per day. And next, if you look at the posts per week, we see it's 56. Next is the posts per month. Instagram posts around 240 posts per month. So we get this one. Now next we are going to look at the amount of posts, which is per week per day from the last 100 posts. As we can see, we can check the amount of posts. Like for example, Monday, it posted one around 3 to 4 p.m. Like that, for example, in Monday, 7 to 8 p.m. it posted 2 posts. Like that, we can check by week the number of posted and at what time approx they posted the content. Similarly, we can also check for the engagement. As we can see, we can check the engagement of every post from the last 100 posts and the time that it was posted and the engagement that it gained from that post. As we can see here, amount of posts and the post engagement. And because it is free, we are using the free version. That's why we can check for only the last 100 posts. Next, we can also see the most popular post time from the last 100. That is, we get at Monday at 8 p.m. This is the most popular time for Netflix to post its content. Now, for the next part, we are going to look at the top hashtags, top caption words, and also the user interests. First, let me this Monday at 8 p.m. Next, the top hashtags. It is also from the last 100 posts and it shows what hashtags were used most of all. So as we can see, these are the hashtags of the last 100 posts, the most recurring hashtags. So we'll just paste it here. Next, we will look at the top caption words from the last 100 posts. It shows what words were used in captions most of all. As we can see, which were the words that were used the most and how many times. Like Rohit, it's 13, always it was used 10. And now keep in mind that we get a lot of insights, and it's not that every insight will be relevant to our need, but because there are lots of insights, we can actually see which insights gives us the most value, and we can go forward with that in planning our content and strategizing our page. So I will paste it here. Now the user interest. It is the top word matches in the user's descriptions. So for Netflix, we get fashion, realtor, and filmmaker. We'll just paste it here, and we get this. Okay. Next, we can also look at the topmost commented posts, also from the last 100 posts, and also the topmost liked posts. As we can see, the top commented posts we get here, and it is showing us the top 11 most commented posts from the last 100 posts. Let's check this one. As we can see, it was liked by 235,000 around. So this is one of the top most commented posts. Next one. So we can see the next one is this one. Like this, we can check out the other ones also. We can check the number of comments, number of likes, number of likes, and that way we can get more insights about the page that we are analyzing. Now let's look at the top most liked post from the last 100 posts. And we see it here. The most liked post. This gained around 400,000 almost. And for the video post, we have to go to the page actually to check out what's in there. This video post got a total of around 3 million views. It was posted only last week. Like this, we can check out the other posts. And why this is important? This is important because we can analyze a profile, a public profile, and gain various insights. And we can also see the posts that are gaining the most comments and also the most likes. And this can help us in understanding more about a page, and in return gain valuable insights. Like this one, the top most liked, almost around 400,000. We'll paste it here. Let's check out the next one. Let's paste it here. Like this. So this is how Inflect can help you understand a profile page and gain valuable insights. And you just have to enter the user ID and it will give all the insights as shown here. And now this, keeping in mind that this is what we get completely free without even registering on the website. Now, if you pay for the service, we will get more in-depth analysis, which can be far more beneficial. But if you are a starting page or you just want to research about a page, then I think it's far more than sufficient to get an understanding about a page from the last 100 posts. Okay. So to review what we have done, let's see. We get the engagement for Netflix, which is around 0.03%. We get the average user activity, which is 2.22%. The average number of posts per day is 8. Average number of posts per week is 56. The number of posts per month is 240. Next week, we also get the number of posts and when it was posted, and also the engagement from the last 100 posts, which is garnered. Next, we also get the most popular post time for Netflix, which is Monday at 8 p.m. Let me double make sure. Yes. Next is the top caption words and the top hashtags, both from the last 100 posts. And as we can see, the number of times that this hashtag was used, and number of times these words were used in the captions. And we also get the user's interest for the page that we are analyzing. And at the last end, we also get the top most commented posts and the top most liked posts. With this, we have come to the end of the video. And so this is the marketing analytics tool facilitation video, and we talked in brief about Inflact, which is an open source marketing toolkit for Instagram. Thank you.